Unnecessary question.
At what time does the train for Brighton leave?
There are 2 trains to Brighton, madam, at 11:30 a.m. and 5:15 p.m. Which one do you want to take?
The first one at 11:30, please.
Very well. Here is your ticket, madam.
Thank you. Which platform does it leave from?
Platform 3.
Thank you. So, what is the weather like in Brighton?
I'm sorry, madam. I know a lot about trains, but not much about the weather. That is not my responsibility.
Well, never mind. I'll go to Brighton anyway, even if it rains. So it was an unnecessary question. But I like asking unnecessary questions.
But I am not here to answer unnecessary questions. I do not have the time for idle conversation.
Well, even you must find it relaxing sometimes to chat about this and that.
Look, madam, I don't need to relax. What I need is to help the other customers in the line behind you.
Oh, sorry. I am leaving. You are very kind, and I will send you a postcard from Brighton to let you know what the weather is like.
Thank you, madam. Next, please.
When is the next train to Edinburgh, please?
Hi, I'm Del and I'm one of your ABBA teachers. I'm sure you've noticed there are many questions in the ABBA film of this unit. During the following video classes, you will get familiar with the use of question words and how to use them to form questions. You'll see it's easy and you will be able to ask questions in no time. In this video class, we're going to focus on the use of the question words what and which. Let's start with what. We use what to ask about things in general or objects when the options are unlimited. For example, what do you want for lunch? Or what does she do in August? When we build a sentence with any question word, it always follows the same structure. In this case, what is followed by the standard structure for questions in English. Question word, auxiliary verb, subject, main verb and object. It is important to remember that the verbs to be, to have and the modal verbs don't need the auxiliary verb do to form questions. For example, what is your name? In this case, the question will follow this structure. Question word, to be and the subject. When we are asking for a specific characteristic, we name that characteristic after the question word. For example, what color is your shirt? Or what time do you go to work? Now, let's move on to questions with which. We use which to ask about things when there is a limited number of options. Which is followed by the name of the thing we are asking about. For example, which one do you prefer? Or which character is she? As you can see, these examples follow a similar structure to the one we have seen before. The only difference is that the question word which is followed by the object. We also get rid of the auxiliary verb do when the verb is to be. Now that you've learned how to form questions with what and which, you're ready to complete the next section. You can do it. Bye-bye.